Cooking is an art. Every minute of it is important. Picture this, you are cooking a masterpiece. Now you need to add an ingredient. The problem is, you can't open the jar, and you may risk burning what you are cooking. This is where having a good jar opener at close hand. When timing is everything, you'd want to be ready when you need it. In this video, we will take a look at the 5 best jar openers you can buy. If you want to find best prices and more information of the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now, let's begin with the list. The first model we have is the Hamilton Beach OpenEase Automatic Jar Opener. This must-have kitchen tool caters to all kinds of the lid to open, from the smallest to the largest. Hamilton makes the stuck lid jar opening easy peasy and no sweat, saving your energy from too much muscle stretching. Frustrate no more, because this jar opener is automatic, so it is easy to use. You just place the opener on top of the jar and click the engage button or the open jar button, and it will do its wonder to fit and tighten the grip to the lid. After such time, you've just got to press the release lid button and get your easy opened. After releasing the release lid button, it will automatically shut off. Hamilton Beach Jar Opener is designed for the customer's benefit, especially to people suffering from arthritis, and has undergone thorough research. It focuses on the hand grip, control, and comfort of its users. This convenient and efficient jar opener weighs a pound and is battery operated. It is not recommended and does not work with plastic jars, but to screw-on jar lids only. Made out of high-quality materials, this jar opener assures sturdy and long-term usage. Next on our list is Black & Decker Lids Off Jar Opener. This kitchen tool runs through electricity and is a 120 volts model. It has a polarized plug, wherein the other blade is wider than the other one and means that it shall be plugged into a polarized outlet only. This amazing jar opener works its wonder through specific instructions. You just have to place your hand on the opener's handle and push the release button through your thumb. Right then and there, the opener itself will move upward slowly. By gently pulling up on the upper part of the opener, wait until it locks its raised position. Then, you may put the jar on the turntable, which is a rubberized mat without the plastic neck bands that might preempt the process. After ensuring the proper placement of the jar, gently push down the upper part to lower until it reaches the top of the jar and hears the motor start to process. Let the clams and the grips do the work. You will be expected to keep pressing the top until you hear it pop at the opening of the jar. Press the release button and you are good to go. For any stains, you can just wipe a damp cloth for care cleaning. Black & Decker Jar Opener caters to all kinds and jar sizes. It may be rated as costly for a jar opener, but claims to be worth the price in terms of performance. Before we head on to the third product, let us remind you to subscribe to our channel if you are enjoying this video. We do all kinds of review videos for every product that you can think of. Our aim is to give you an easy time to decide what the best purchase is. Our next featured product is the RoboTwist 1014 RoboTwist. This cool-looking ergonomic jar opener is the answer to stubborn jars which are difficult to open. It fits all jar sizes, from 1 to 3.5 inches in diameter and lids of 1.2 to 3.5 inches, so it is a must-have tool in your kitchen. Kids will surely love this jar opener, which looks like a gadget with a twist. It is also ideal for the elderly, especially those suffering from hand arthritis. It is easy to use. Simply put the opener on the jar top, adjust it to fit, then press the green button for about 3 seconds. The device will automatically grab the lid and begin unscrewing until it is completely opened. It's amazing to see it unlid the jar on its own. The high-quality structure offers efficient, no-slip grip and adjustable functionality. It makes opening wet, slippery jars easy and convenient. Its compact size makes it a handy companion wherever you go, and storage is no hassle. It is battery operated and only consumes very little energy, so your batteries will last longer. Just make sure you have extra AA batteries for emergency purposes. And because RoboTwist doesn't use blades, it is guaranteed 100% safe as well as environment friendly. Do you have a product or category you want us to review? Feel free to leave your requests in the comments below. We'd love to work on it for you. Now back to our list of the top 5 best jar openers. Number 4 is the Easy Off Jar Opener, which helps open tough jar lids effortlessly. Simply slide the jar through the V-shaped opening, press firmly into place, and twist. It's that easy. It's so easy that even children and the elderly can use it. Say goodbye to wrist aches and carpal tunnel injuries. This jar opener is able to open any lid sizes of any types of containers. It comes with a pre-attached peel and stick adhesive and 3 screws, which perfectly secures the mechanisms into any surface. It can also be hidden from sight if you install it under a cupboard, a table, or the kitchen counter. Its small, portable size helps save precious kitchen space. Aside from home kitchen spaces, the jar opener has also been used in operating rooms, NICUs, dental laboratories, and commercial kitchens and cafeterias. To ensure high-quality performance and durability, Easy Off is made in the USA with premium materials. For more convenient, easier kitchen life, use this remarkable opener for your jar opening needs. Last but certainly not least is the OXO Good Grips Jar Opener with Base Pad. Made of sharp stainless steel for easy opening, it has a dimension of 9 inches by 5 inches by 1 inch and weighs about 0.41 pounds. This jar opener will surely be your go-to because this can effortlessly and painlessly open jars with different sizes, from small condiment bottles to large tubs of mayonnaise. Its contoured, non-slip grip handle takes pressure off your palm, making it easy for your hands and wrists. Perfect for people with hand arthritis and the likes. The jar opener comes with a non-slip base pad that reduces the required torque or twisting force to open jars by keeping them stable and steady on any flat, solid surface. Simply place the non-slip base pad under the jar, slide the jar opener over the lid, and twist counterclockwise to loosen. When you're done, the included non-slip base pad fits easily into the jar opener for compact storage. In terms of cleaning, it is dishwasher safe, and the base pad can be hand washed. With the OXO jar opener, you need not run jars under hot water, bang them in the counter, strike with a knife, or ask someone else for help anymore. There you go. These are the 5 best jar openers in the market today. Buy yourself one and make sure you'll never be caught without what you need and risk burning what you are cooking. Before we go, if you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click on the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.